Hello class, I wanted to review our works cited page assignment together. I'm going to scroll down here to the instructions. And now we're going to open EasyBib. We're going to open EasyBib by clicking on the link, which will take us to EasyBib. Go back to the assignment. We're going to create an MLA works cited entry for each of the following text. I went ahead and prepped out a Google Doc where I formatted it with my header with the last name and page number. You can just double click in here. Make sure you have Times New Roman 12-point font. And remember, again, you just insert page number at the top right. That's how I got my page number. Double click out here. First line, works cited, and made sure my line spacing is double space without any other space before or after. And I'm going to move my margin to the left. Okay, let's go back and take a look. So I have EasyBib ready to go. This where it catches you, Fall Down by Ann Fadiman. You're going to type that into EasyBib to get the citation. So let's see. Paste. Let's see. We're going to get started. EasyBib. Let's see. Get started. It's a book. So you have all these options to select from. The book, the spirit catches you, and you fall down. Let's try that without the author and see if it comes up. And it does. The spirit catches you right here. Fadiman, click on Cite, continue. And I'm citing the whole book, the author, the title, and complete citation. Click below. No. Okay, yes. I'm going to view a sponsored message once every 48 hours, so I have it EasyBib for free. Yes. Okay. So I have to watch the announcement, but I'm not going to have you watch it. The ad's done, but it still has this click on elements to engage in the ad. So I click on interact with this ad. Okay, click I'm done, I can go back. Okay, so here is my citation for Ann Fadiman. Copy the citation, go back, I'm going to paste it, right click, paste without formatting, it's done. I'm going to click on the enter return once and then find another source that I want to cite. I want to show you this one right here, treating patients from diverse populations. Now when I highlight it and copy it, and let's just paste that on a new URL. You notice like I can't find it just by copy and paste. I'm like, okay, so let's go to our library. I'm going to just type in wlac.edu/library. And right here, it says start your research. So I'll go ahead and paste the article here and search. And here it is right here. I am already logged in. You may have to log in to access this. I believe it's the same login credentials as you would log into a computer on campus. And right here, all I have to do is click on Cite. Right here you see it's MLA 8th edition. I'm going to copy it, highlight it, copy, go back to my document, and paste without formatting. You see this is borrow though, so I'm actually going to cut this because we need to put this in alphabetical order. So I'm going to cut this, just move this down a line, and then again paste without formatting. And oh, there's too much space here, so I'm just going to move that line, that space line, so we keep everything double spaced. Okay, so you will do this for the rest of the articles. You can copy and paste for the rest. Cultural Clues by Melissa Hanson. I think that's another, maybe a little tricky, I'm not sure. Let's see. So when we right click to paste, let's see, take a look at it. it says National Conference of State Legislators, and that is the one that you want. This is the article that you want. Cultural clues, right here, the title. Again, you're going to copy and paste just this URL in. If I copy the URL, go back to EasyBib, create a new citation. This is a website, and paste the URL in and search. And Hansen and Wolf, what is that? Okay, go ahead and click on Cite and continue. The article title is, let's go back and take a look. The article title is Cultural Clues. Go back to here, the article title, Cultural Clues, author, website, title, the URL, complete citation, and there it is. Again, copy back to our page and come down here, right click, paste without formatting. This is Hansen. Okay, so these are all in alphabetical order. So you will do this for the rest of the articles, where you will copy and paste the titles to find the website URL to copy and paste it right there, open it up, copy and paste into EasyBib to cite, create a new citation. So once you get them all done and make sure they're all in alphabetical order, we need to do what's a hanging indent. So you have all of them done, you just highlight all of your entries and click on Format, Align and Indent, Indentation Options, and right here I need a hanging indent, Apply. And there you go. So you have the Works Cited page. Your Works Cited page you will use for any sources that you cite in your analysis essay. You can come back in here and copy this entire page, and if you used 2 or 3 of the sources, you would just use the 2, delete the ones that you don't have, and you may use that for your Works Cited page on your analysis essay. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me.